Hi, how are you?
Hi, sir.
Good, thank you. You see the red light? Is it?
Yeah, okay.
So let's do a walkthrough. Let's do a walkthrough.
They have sales
Okay.
on cakes.
Huh? Yeah, let's do a walkthrough.
Okay.
Does it look like it's pointing up? Does it look like it's pointing up or straight? So Robinson's Place, Pangasinan in Calasiao. Got the guest store.
They're on sale also.
Everything's on sale. Save money by not spending money, huh? No. I said save money by not spending money in the first place.
Can you take a photo for me here?
Yeah.
We will take online.
So I got it. Why don't you give me the stick? Why don't you give me the stick? I don't know. All right. Yeah, forget it. Go ahead, hon. You want to go in front of the fireplace? One, two, three. It's all right. It's a sign of the times. Okay.
Take a photo together here on my phone.
I can do it here too.
Okay.
I don't know.
Even yours, one more. We can put down our mask actually.
That's all right. Okay,
Going on.
we will. Robinson's department store. This is where we bought your watch last time we were here.
Go up there and then we can come down here.
Yeah. Go this way? Let's go around, huh? Let's walk around for. Yeah, I could use another mouse for the computer. For the. LBC, Tropical Tours, USSC, Core Pacific Money Exchange. All kinds of little kiosks in here. David Salon. That's a good place. That's where we'll be coming, I'm sure, in a few months. So Mama can get her hair done. I need to get new lenses for my glasses. That's another thing. All kinds of stuff. That's what I need, but I have some coming. They're almost here. From Lazada. All right, we're on the second floor, Robinson's Place Mall, Pangasinan, Calasiao. Just, oh goodness, what, south of Dagupan, about 15 minutes, Dagupan City. We're here because the power is out in Alaminos City. So we decided to come on down here for the afternoon, burn some time, eat some lunch, maybe look for a food processor, and just kind of take in the sights. It's kind of nice during Christmas season to come inside the mall and walk around. Let's see if we can aim down there and see what people are up to. Mom's taking pictures. So am I. We're going the wrong way. We're supposed to be over there walking, not over here walking. Huh? Movie theater closed, I'm sure. Of course. We're going the wrong way. Walk through the food court. You want one? You want what one?
They have
What is it? Okay. Okay, guys, that's about it. We're up on the second floor. We already kind of walked around the first floor of the Pangasinan place, or no, Robinson's Place, Pangasinan. We're gonna go ahead and wrap this one up. We have some shopping to do, and we need to stop in somewhere and get something to eat, like real quick, because we haven't had anything yet today, and we're starving. So I appreciate you coming along, watching this video, and we'll catch up with you soon. Hope everybody had a happy Thanksgiving, and we'll continue this party another time. Thanks a lot, guys. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.